In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate hatches in AutoCAD so you can edit them individually. When multiple hatches are created in a single hatch operation, AutoCAD may group them together as one hatch object. To separate them, simply click on the hatch you want to modify. This will open the Hatch Editor tab on the ribbon. In the Options section, look for the Separate Hatches option and click it. AutoCAD will instantly split the grouped hatch into individual hatch objects. You can now move, edit, or delete each hatch independently without affecting the others. This feature is especially useful when working with complex drawings that contain multiple hatch areas. It also makes it easier to apply different hatch properties or patterns to specific regions later. Having separate hatches gives you more flexibility when making design revisions and updates. It gives you greater flexibility and control over your design. Thanks for watching and happy drafting in AutoCAD.